In this video, we're diving into how Claude's AI can streamline your debugging process, making your code more reliable and efficient. We'll explore practical tips and techniques for leveraging AI tools to identify and fix bugs swiftly. Did you know that developers spend up to 50% of their time debugging code? Welcome to our deep dive into how Claude's AI can revolutionize your debugging process. Debugging is not just a necessary evil, it's a critical skill that ensures your software runs smoothly and efficiently. Today, we'll explore how AI can not only speed up this process but also make it more effective, helping you ensure your code is as reliable as possible.
Debugging can be a daunting task, especially when dealing with large and complex code bases. Developers often face challenges such as identifying the root cause of bugs, understanding intricate code paths, and spending significant time on manual debugging. This is where Claude's AI comes into play, offering a more streamlined and efficient approach. Unlike traditional methods, AI can quickly analyze vast amounts of code, identify patterns that might lead to errors, and suggest potential fixes. This not only saves time but also enhances the overall development process by reducing the likelihood of human error. Claude's AI utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to identify bugs in your code. By leveraging pattern recognition, it can scan through your code base and pinpoint anomalies that might lead to errors. This automated scanning process is not only quick but also incredibly accurate, providing real-time bug identification and reducing the need for extensive manual checks. As a result, developers can focus on higher-level tasks, confident in the knowledge that their code is being thoroughly vetted by AI technology.
One of the standout features of Claude's AI is its ability to seamlessly integrate with existing debugging tools. Whether you're using Visual Studio, JetBrains, or other popular development environments, Claude's AI can complement your current workflow, enhancing your debugging capabilities. Developers can customize settings to suit their specific needs, allowing for a tailored approach to debugging. This integration also fosters better collaboration among team members as everyone can access the same AI-driven insights, ensuring consistency and efficiency in the debugging process. Once Claude's AI has identified potential issues within your code, it generates comprehensive debugging reports. These reports provide detailed insights into the nature of the bugs, their potential impact, and suggested fixes. By interpreting these AI-generated reports, developers can prioritize issues based on severity and impact, ensuring that critical bugs are addressed first. This data-driven approach allows for more informed decision-making, turning complex reports into actionable tasks that enhance the overall quality of the software. Let's take a look at some real-world examples where Claude's AI has significantly improved the debugging process. Companies across various industries have reported success stories, highlighting the AI's impact on reducing bug resolution time and enhancing software reliability. Whether it's a tech giant or a small startup, the benefits of AI-driven debugging are evident. These case studies not only demonstrate the effectiveness of Claude's AI but also offer valuable lessons on how to implement AI strategies successfully. By learning from these examples, you can apply similar tactics to your own development processes. One of the most powerful features of Claude's AI is its ability to offer customizable suggestions. Developers can adjust AI parameters to better align with their specific project needs, ensuring that the AI's recommendations are both relevant and effective. This customization enables a balance between AI-driven insights and developer intuition, creating a collaborative environment where AI and human expertise work in harmony. By leveraging these customizable features, you can optimize the AI's performance, tailoring it to deliver the best possible outcomes for your software projects. After implementing AI-generated fixes, it's crucial to test and validate these changes thoroughly. This ensures that the AI's suggestions not only resolve the identified issues but also maintain the overall quality and stability of the code. By employing continuous testing methods, developers can verify the efficacy of AI-driven solutions, building trust in the AI's recommendations. This process not only enhances the reliability of your software but also reinforces the AI's role as a valuable tool in the development lifecycle. Claude's AI is not just a tool for fixing current bugs, it's a resource for continuous improvement. By leveraging AI feedback, developers can adopt an iterative approach to software development, learning from past insights to enhance future projects. This continuous learning cycle allows teams to refine their development strategies, making data-driven decisions that lead to better software outcomes. By integrating AI feedback into your workflows, you can ensure that your projects are always evolving, adapting to new challenges, and benefiting from the latest advancements in AI technology. As we've seen, Claude's AI offers a revolutionary approach to debugging, transforming a traditionally challenging task into a more manageable and efficient process. By adopting AI tools, you can enhance your development projects, ensuring higher reliability and performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with fellow developers. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about your experiences with AI in development. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the vast potential of AI in creating robust and reliable software.